So guys, today we're going to be putting a tempered glass on our new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a glass tempered thing, so you can also buy plastic ones, I guess, but I don't know about the durability on those. You get a bunch of things in the packet. These are to clean up the display before you put the screen protector in, and the two things are guides so that you can put it in properly. So, okay guys, so the process is pretty simple. So first you wipe it with the wet wipe. So the process is pretty simple. I like to go horizontally and then vertically so that then next is the dry one. So we can just pull it out. It's a very small one, so be careful not to drop it on the floor. And now you just wipe off all the liquidy stuff. Make sure to get every liquid in there because you don't want like blobs in your screen protector when you do it later. So you can unfold it to different sides so that you can get the drier one, I guess. Just make sure that you don't leave any moisture in there. It's a very important thing. Also, when you are wiping, make sure to look at it from different angles so that you can see all the smudges you missed or maybe the dust or something. When handling things, make sure you're in a clean environment. Don't stay in a dusty room or a room with a lot of lint or something, because that's going to make it hard to clean the screen and you might still leave some residue later in the screen. So that's a very important thing. And don't turn on any air conditioning or fans. So, Now we take out the glass. There's a label saying back. Some also come with the front label, but for this one, the back will go face down towards the screen. Now you have to make sure to line it up properly because it's glass, so if it sticks out, it's going to look really weird. So measure it a little bit, try to estimate where it's going to be, figure it out, plan it before you make any actions. Now you can use these things. These are dust removers, so if there's any residues or any small particles left, these are sticky things, so they will pull out the dust and anything else that's on the screen. Run it through once, make sure that you've got it covered. Generally, it's a good idea to look out for dust and specifically tape it on that area. I'm wiping it off a little bit just to make sure that it's not dirty, but again, just make it clean. When I place it on the screen, it doesn't leave any dusty things there. Now we're gonna peel off the guide stickers. They are used to measure where exactly like the top and the bottom of the screen protector is, so you can line it up properly. This is very important because when you're doing freehand, these kind of things are a little bit hard to do. They will move around a little bit, and if even a slight millimeter movement can completely misalign it, and that will look like extremely awkward, and you're gonna have to buy another expensive screen protector, so avoid that as much as possible. So right now what I'm doing is carefully looking at it so that I can place it in the perfect location. So this will keep the screen protector firmly. So now I'm just pulling out the back. Now the sticky area is exposed, so you want to be very careful about this. Even the slightest movement can screw everything up. So slowly place it over. Make sure it's lined up before you touch the screen so that the glue doesn't get stuck somewhere and you cannot reverse it. It's glass, so if you try to pull it off back again to fix it, it might get screwed up. Now I'm just going to press it down. Make sure to get out all the bubbles, but firstly and most importantly, make sure to line it up properly. Now, once the screen protector is down on the screen, it's all about just pushing out all the air bubbles. This shouldn't be that big of a deal. Apply a firm pressure, but don't be too rough with it. Make sure to do slow, methodical movements and push it outwards towards the edges of the screen so that the air has somewhere to escape to. As I'm doing right now, you can use some soft fabric or some soft cloth or something to press it down so that it doesn't scratch or even break the screen protector. So another thing is that all these small air pockets also can go away with time. See what I'm doing here? I'm just trying to pull it a little bit so that the air has somewhere to escape. It's a very risky maneuver. I don't recommend you do it, but if you have like a bubble like that's too big and you cannot ignore it, I mean that's the only way to do it. But be very careful when you're doing that, because glass screen protectors break super easily. Now I'm just going to go all over the screen and make sure to pull out anything that's remaining. Again, the things that I'm doing are very risky, so be careful when you do it. And I think we are good to go. That's a almost perfect screen protector installation. Yeah, that's, I guess, more or less how you do it. So yeah, check it out, guys. Again, if you have a few small ones, they will, go out or kink out with time, so you don't need to worry too much about it. As long as you lined it up properly, I don't think you should worry a lot. So if you guys liked it and if you guys found the video informative, please like the video, please share it with your friends or something if they are putting on screen protectors on their phones. And subscribe for more instructional videos like this, or fun ones too. We make a lot of different types of videos here. Thank you guys for watching.